4 divided by 8, then times 1 over 8. First we do this multiplication. 8 times 1 over 8. We can easily cancel this 8 and this 8, so here we have just 1. And 4 divided by 1 is just 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 4 divided by 8 can be written as 4 over 8. And times 1 over 8. Okay? 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 8, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1, so 1 over 2 times 8, which equals 16. So we have 1 over 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 16.